The Food Service Exchange presents.
Joining me today is John Duff from the Pearl Street Cafe. Hi, John.
Murray, good to see you again.
Again, we're doing skewers.
We are doing skewers.
I love it.
Simple, easy stuff, Murray. We've got a lamb that we've been laminating in extra virgin olive oil and some balsamic, minced garlic, and these wonderful leaves of these sprigs of rosemary. There's a theme here today, Murray. It's called rosemary. Yes, it is. We're going to be using these to go ahead and skewer different kinds of meats, scallops, and with citrus too.
And do them on the Crown Verity.
Before we've come on, we've gone ahead and we've skewered these. These have been marinating, sorry about that, it's been too long. Marinating for about 2 hours. But the new ingredient that the kids in the cafe use all the time, or used to use, is this lemongrass. Lemongrass, it's, you really have
smelled
to,
that.
Unbelievable.
Smell it.
Once you go ahead and
you
release the oils, so I've infused it with a little bit of this lemongrass too, which is a really soft lemon flavor.
Yeah.
We want these particular citrus pieces to grill if we can. I mean, it's a great presentation. It's all about presentation with this.
That's right.
Catering, when Martha's doing catering, if it's costing you 50, 60 cents for a piece, you're still able to get $2 plus per piece of these. So it's all in the show.
Scallop and lamb.
All in the show, absolutely. Yeah.
So why don't I roll one of these up?
Okay.
I've got it in prosciutto and a scallop, a nice fresh bay scallop. And this is what you'd said to do, John, with my
now the last time you did this, Murray, you took them all off.
Oh, sure.
You can't take them
makes
off.
one little mistake in 12 years.
You literally went there.
I did.
And they were stripped. No,
they were stripped. Now look at that. Oh, how's that,
good, Murray. Yeah, that's
Not
good.
bad, eh?
You know what, Murray, when you buy this rosemary like this, if you're lucky enough to have a plant at home, which we grow it in the garden, nice big bushes, and as Bill was saying too, down south, it grows wild as bushes. It's nice to take those hardy stems, and you can seriously get all sorts of meat along there.
All right. Murray. What happened to that one? What happened?
You haven't lost your touch, Murray.
I haven't.
Absolutely. Let me do some chicken.
All right. Oh, I don't think John liked the way I did that. What do you kids think? I think he just picked on me.
think it looks fantastic.
Thank you, John.
With the chicken, Murr, you can go ahead and marinate this, or I've got some Johnny spice here, which is just really herbs of Provence. I've got some oregano, and I've got some thyme, and I've got some pepper and salt and different things. So you can really have fun with this, but it's a showstopper with the rosemary.
Especially the way I roll them. They're a showstopper.
Oh, look at that, Murray.
How's that, John?
It's like your
Thai
spring rolls? I mean, you're good at rolling those too.
Oh, I'm out of rosemary. Okay, I quit. There.
Excellent. Why don't you put those on, Murr?
I will.
And it's probably the lamb that takes a little longer, but still, I would say medium-high, 3-4 minutes aside, Murray, for medium rare, like not a lot.
Yeah.
Scallops even a little less. The chicken, depending on how thick you go ahead and you carve that, really doesn't take a long time at all.
Okay, I'm on.
Good.
Scallop on. Nice. Scallop on. I've heard of scallopini, but never scallop on. Scallop on. Good. Those will cook nicely.
The sink is fantastic.
Scallop on.
Boy, great.
Great. Look at that. Oh, I can smell
We're gonna
the
hit these
prosciutto and the lime already.
Good. I'm just going to hit this chicken with a little bit of rub.
Okay.
And I've let the citrus off of these, but you could certainly use citrus. Either orange is good with it, Murray, with chicken, but the lemon is fabulous with it too.
Good. Very nice.
So actually, let me get these on, Murray.
Okay, Johnny, you're on.
Sneak behind you here. And we still have the wonderful lamb to get on too.
Yep.
Right?
They ready to go?
Yep, all set. Some room for you here.
Incoming. I like these, John. Very nice.
And if we were to wrap those too, Murray, we could put them a little closer into the grill.
Yeah. Oh, I've found spots here, John.
Good.
I'm an artiste. There you go. How's that? How's that look, John?
Fabulous.
Great. Now these will take a couple of minutes. Do you want this lid down a bit, John?
I think so.
Because we can.
I think so. And
Won't hurt.
It
Give
won't hurt.
these-
Some of the stems will be out too.
Right.
It's not nearly as hot as other barbecues.
Great.
So there you go.
And they'll be done in just a moment.
Terrific.
All right, Johnny, these have been on, I'd say 7 or 8 minutes.
About 3.5 minutes aside, Marie?
Aside, yeah. See, you can tell they're done. You see the juice coming out of that?
Wonderful.
It's perfect. That scallop's done. Getting the liqueur out of the. Oh,
Because
yeah.
if they're too dry, Murray, that just
That's right.
they're awful.
Yeah.
And actually, they kind of steam a little bit in that prosciutto. The prosciutto looks wonderful. Doesn't it look good?
Does look good. John, you're a magician. Look at that.
And Murray, you know, this is my new favorite garnish. You can pick up these at any of the good garden shops. But this is, it's like an edible salad. I just keep picking this off, but for the texture is absolutely fantastic for a garnish. Look at this, Murray.
Look at that. Just 1 second, Johnny.
Fabulous.
Look at that. That looks great, John.
Looks terrific.
Wow.
Really good. And that green just kind of makes it even greener. Perfect.
Green on green.
Green on green, like your shirt, Murray.
Yeah.
And how are we doing with our wonderful lamb?
Lamb, I'd say they're done too, John. What would you know,
I'm
they
gonna
got
drizzle-
lots of moisture.
And you know what, Murray? I'm just going to drizzle a little balsamic on here. And this is just a balsamic reduction. So it's just balsamic with a
Can you
little...
write Murray Lloyd on
I
that?
can do it in a little lamb. Yeah, there we
Okay.
can. There. Yours is the messy end. But little balsamic just reduced it this
Very
morning
nice.
with just a little bit of brown sugar. And it really kind of simulates a 50-year-old balsamic. The older it is, the thicker it gets.
Right.
But then look cool. Great colors.
Very cool.
Great colors. Very nice.
There you go. That looked nice.
Fantastic.
Two of the finest.
Great. And a few little chicken goodies, and I will garnish that up with my new favorite stuff.
Your new favorite stuff.
If you
I
taste
think
this,
these
Murray,
are
it's
done.
almost like it was wasabi. It kind of hits you. There's all sorts of heat with this, and then
Right.
it dissipates completely. Don't know what it's
What's
called.
it called, John?
I call it pepper lettuce.
Pepper
I
lettuce,
have
okay.
no idea what it's called.
Okay.
Not a clue.
Maybe horseradish seed. Or horseradish lettuce.
Now watch this.
Tastes like
So we are
horseradish.
going to go ahead and fool everybody and put all sorts of green on there. Look at that. There you go, Murr.
Looks great.
Fantastic.
That looks great.
Sure. Super, but super easy.
Yeah.
All in the presentation, and really, as I said, really simple and easy to do. Great on the Crown Verity, especially
Yeah.
in terms of that shelf in the front.
Well, should we try one, John? Do you think
Well,
they're
Murr.
cool enough? Would you like a scallop?
From past shows, yes, I
Yes,
would actually
I
like
think
a
you
scallop.
would like
I
a
think I would
scallop.
like a scallop.
Help yourself, John.
Thank you very much.
Notice how beautifully they're
And you know,
wrapped.
Murr, I need a plate. Here we go, because they are going to be, here we go.
Great.
And they're going to be hot, Murr.
Yeah.
They're going to be hot. You know what? You have the scallop. I'm going to have a piece of lamb.
Okay.
All right. And you gave me a knife and fork here. Thanks,
did.
Murr.
Oh,
Another
I can
piece.
taste the rosemary and the lime. Oh,
And a little bit of the lemongrass in here too. You can taste the lemon.
Mm-hmm.
You can squeeze that too on it too as well without it hurting at all.
oh.
Yummy. Murr, thank you once again.
Well, let's eat,
Great to be
drink,
back.
and be merry.
Great to be back.
Cheers, John.
Cheers.